How to download and play RAFT on PC. In order to download RAFT, you first need an application called Steam. Just go ahead and search for Steam download and then hit enter. Now click on the first link that you see here and then click on install Steam. Now it will download an installation file on your PC, which you are going to have to use and set up to install Steam. But I'm going to show you guys using Steam browser for now. Process is exactly the same. So just tap on the Steam option and then make sure that you are logged into your account. Click on this login option right here at the top. And then from here, you're just going to have to click on sign in to simply log into your account. Now just go ahead and enter the code that you got on your email. And then you're just going to have to go ahead and hit enter. So let me just enter my code right here. And then once you've entered the code, you just hit enter and it will automatically log you into your account. And as you can see, I'm already logged in. I'm going to head over to store here. Once you're on your store, tap on the search bar here and then simply search for RAFT. Now, once you've searched for it, click on the first link that you see here and click on RAFT. And then scroll down until you find this option, add to cart. If you want to know more about the game, you can read it right here and then click on add to cart. And once you've done that, click on view cart and then you're going to have to check out from here. Click on continue to payment and then select your payment method. So if you want to enter your card information like your credit or debit card, enter your card information right here, your card number, expiration date, and the CVC code. Then just enter your billing information, click on continue, and you should be good to go. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.